Good afternoon. When you open Microsoft Access, you will see this page if you're working with 2007. You will want to create a blank database, name it, and save it to the location that you wish it to be at. And then create. The first thing that you will notice if you click on the View tab is that we are in Data Sheet View. To more quickly create your fields, you want to go to Design View. It'll come up with Table 1 as your table name. Click OK. And then your field names are brought up, and you can simply enter your fields as described in the syllabus. Make sure that it is a text entry. And do this for every field that is listed in your syllabus. And when you're finished, all that you need to do is click View again and click Data Sheet View. And you will notice that all of your fields are in the top. Now you can just begin entering your data. So I'm creating information for our made-up students. And just enter the data out of the week 1 data thread. Again, I'm simply creating made-up students. When you're finished, all you need to do is highlight your entries, click Create, and go to the Report Wizard. This allows you to answer various questions to sort your data. And then you simply enter the fields that you are supposed to have on your report. For the first one, it's last name, first name, and the name of the school. And follow the wizard. We don't need to move any of these around, so we can just click Next. But we do know that we need to sort in ascending order starting with the last name. Click Next, and just leave all of this the way it is. And then you can title your report Report 1, and then you can put last, first, school, ascending, last, and and click Finish. And there is your report. Do the same thing. Go back to your table. All of your information is still highlighted. Click Create, Report Wizard, and again the fields last name, first name, and this time it's subject. Next. We don't need to move any of the priorities or move any of these in terms of priority. Click Next, and then this time we want the last name, but we want it in descending order. Leave all of the layouts and templates the way they are. Change your report title to Report 2, and then you can type in your description. Let's try to get this a little bit more consistent. And click Finish. And there's your second report. To do your third report, go back to the table, Create, Report Wizard, and this time we need the type of computer first, so we're going to go find it, select it, and then go back to our last name, first name, and if you do the selecting here, you don't have to move it around anywhere else. Click Next. Notice they're in the correct order. Now, if you look at this page, if you had moved these, if you had put the last name, first name, then you would have to fix the grouping on them. This time we're going to organize by computer type, and it says by computer type ascending, so we're okay there. Click Next. Leave the layout the same and the style the same, and the final report is Report 3, and this will be computer type, last, first, and this will be ascending by type, and click Finished. Well, it didn't like the name. Let's take out the period. And there is your third report. To insert your rubric, you can go back to the table. You can click Create, create a blank report. Notice it suddenly appears as Report 1, but don't worry about that right now. Click Design View, click down here in the dotted area and copy your rubric, and then just insert it, and it will automatically insert it. You can click Close, and it will ask you to change it. Say yes, and change this to feedback, and click OK. Now, all of your reports have been created. You have your sheet that has your template so that I can enter information in it. All your reports are in order. Your table data has been entered. Click Close, and all of your reports are automatically saved in your program. Now, just to make sure, let's go back and let's check. We'll open it up. And there are my reports. And this completes the tutorial for databases.